In a village burdened by hardship, Jeevan surveys the scene, his warm smile masking enigmatic intentions. Jeevan's eyes scan the crowd, lingering on the faces of hungry children and struggling families, his smile hinting at a hidden purpose. Amidst the village's visible distress, Jeevan maintains a warm smile, his true intentions veiled in secrecy. In the quiet of his home, Jeevan retrieves a hidden woven mat, a secret treasure veiled beneath his bed. With deliberate care, Jeevan dons a simple mask, transforming his identity as the mat awakens with a mystical glow. As if preparing for a sacred journey, he fills a basket with bread, securing it to the radiant mat, setting the stage for an unknown quest.
Against the backdrop of a dark village night, Jeevan commands his magic mat, a beacon of hope amidst the howling wind. A generous shower of bread rains down upon the village, each loaf a symbol of Jeevan's unwavering resolve. Below, grateful faces emerge from the darkness, their expressions a testament to the warmth of Jeevan's selfless act.
In the parched village, the villagers stand as monuments of despair, their gazes fixed on the barren wells that mirror their hopelessness. From a distance, Jeevan observes their suffering, his face a canvas of empathy painted with the hues of their pain. The wells stand as silent witnesses to the villagers' plight, their depths mirroring the emptiness of their hopes and the aridity of their future. Under a starlit sky, Jeevan gracefully dances through the air, embarking on a serene journey towards a distant river. With careful precision, Jeevan dips his buckets into the river, each surface mirroring the celestial glow above. As the buckets fill, the evening star shines with unwavering brilliance, guiding Jeevan with its celestial light. Under the cloak of night, Jeevan brings life back to the dry village, pouring water into the long, empty wells.
Hope flickers in the eyes of the parched community as they watch Jeevan's life-giving act, their silent prayers hanging in the air. In a moment of pure, unbridled joy, children erupt in cheers as the wells begin to fill, their laughter echoing through the silent night. Their faces, once etched with despair, now glow with relief, reflecting the life-giving water that promises a new dawn. In the heart of the forest, a small child teeters on a high branch, his face a canvas of pure terror. Tears stream down the boy's dirt-streaked cheeks as he is paralyzed by fear. Below, the villagers, a sea of worried faces, futilely gesture towards the petrified boy. Their voices echo, a chorus of desperate pleas lost in the rustling leaves.
In a daring aerial rescue, Jeevan swoops in on his mat, saving a child from the clutches of a towering tree. A grateful whisper echoes through the forest as the rescued child exclaims, "Thank you." The scene is filled with relief and gratitude as Jeevan and child are together. Homes are swallowed by relentless floodwaters, leaving desperate souls marooned on rooftops in a heart-wrenching tableau of devastation.
Amidst the watery expanse, the chaos and desperation of the stranded become palpable as they cling to hope amidst the ruins of their lives. The floodwaters reflect a grim reality, mirroring the shattered dreams and uncertain futures of those stranded as the sky weeps in solidarity.
Against the backdrop of devastation, Jeevan soars into the sky, a solitary figure amidst the ruins. Plunging into the heart of chaos, Jeevan becomes a beacon of hope, plucking survivors from the merciless waters. With each rescue, Jeevan etches a narrative of courage onto the canvas of despair, one life at a time. Relentless in his mission, Jeevan turns back once again. Amidst the devastation, Jeevan emerges as a beacon of hope, offering warmth and solace to the vulnerable. With each blanket, Jeevan delivers not just physical warmth, but a glimmer of hope in the face of despair.
The touch of fabric against chilled skin ignites a spark of resilience, defying the cold grip of the flood. Under the unforgiving sun, the barren fields stretch endlessly, mirroring the farmers' desolate hopes. Etched with despair, the farmers' faces tell a silent story of drought and loss. The cracked earth whispers of a land starved of life, a testament to nature's harsh decree.
Under the watchful gaze of the moon, Jeevan sows seeds of hope across the desolate fields. Each seed is a whispered promise of life amidst the stillness of the night. In his hopeful heart, a future harvest blooms even before the dawn. Amidst the ruins of a recent storm, a village struggles to rise from the wreckage, their hands bare and hope dwindling. Villagers, their faces etched with determination and despair, attempt to piece together their shattered lives, their efforts hampered by the scarcity of tools.
Suns glare on ruins, shadows mirror despair. In the heart of the wreckage, a child's toy lies broken, a poignant reminder of the innocence lost in the storm's fury.
Amidst the chaos of damaged homes, Jeevan arrives, offering a beacon of hope for a new dawn. Villagers find a glimmer of hope for a new tomorrow amidst the destruction. The air is thick with a sense of determination and resilience as the community prepares to rebuild their lives. Jeevan traverses the village, his labor weaving through the fabric of daily life. His simple acts of kindness ripple outwards, transforming meager earnings into shared abundance. With each coin gifted, he sows seeds of hope in the hearts of the needy. In the quiet of his home, Jeevan readies himself for an extraordinary departure, his mat pulsating with ethereal light, promising flight. Under the moon's gentle gaze, Jeevan becomes a celestial marvel, poised to dance among the stars. A secret star is born, ready to soar through the night sky. Under the cloak of night, Jeevan's unwavering acts of kindness ripple through the village, igniting a collective spirit of unity. His presence, a beacon in the darkness, weaves a tapestry of hope, binding the community in shared resilience.
Neighbors extend hands in support, their faces etched with newfound trust and camaraderie. In the sun-drenched village square, an unspoken gratitude radiates from the villagers. Whispers of kindness ripple through the square, tales of roofs mended as if by magic.
A field plowed under the moon's watchful eye, a secret labor of love.
A sick child cradled back to health, a silent vigil of healing hands.
As the stories intertwine, a chilling revelation dawns. Each act bears the same ghostly signature.
In the heart of the village square, a child's innocent gesture shatters the anonymity surrounding Jeevan.
A wave of surprise and gratitude washes over the crowd as they recognize Jeevan, their faces a mixture of relief and hope.
Jeevan's distinctive mat, once a symbol of his solitude, now becomes a beacon of recognition amid the hopeful gazes of the villagers.
The village square transforms into a stage of heartfelt gratitude. As villagers approach Jeevan, their faces alight with thankfulness. Bathed in the glow of their appreciation, Jeevan's humble smile radiates a warmth that hints at a deeper truth. In a fleeting moment of revelation, the air shifts, hinting at Jeevan's concealed identity.
The village bursts into a symphony of celebration, fueled by Jeevan's inspiring selflessness. Laughter becomes the anthem of the village, a testament to the transformative power of kindness.
The air crackles with festivity, a palpable energy that binds the community in a shared moment of elation. In the heart of the village, youthful innocence blossoms as children extend helping hands to the elderly, weaving a tapestry of care and companionship.
Toys become symbols of unity as children share their cherished playthings, bridging generations with laughter and joy. Hands intertwine in gestures of support, as the young offer guidance and stability to those who have walked the path before them.
Under the radiant sun, a village awakens to the spirit of unity as adults begin sharing resources.
Fueled by collective resolve, the community begins working together to uplift their shared home.
Each action, a brushstroke on the canvas of their future, paints a vibrant picture of transformation and renewal.
The village awakens to a day of transformation, reborn as a sanctuary of unity and compassion under Jeevan's guiding light.
Jeevan, a shadow against the moon, soars above the village one last time, his silhouette a dark guardian against the night. Below, the village radiates a warm, inviting glow, a beacon of hope and transformation ignited by Jeevan's touch. A gentle smile graces Jeevan's lips as his heart swells with pride, a silent acknowledgement of the enduring legacy he has forged. Under the cloak of night, the villagers lift their gaze towards Jeevan, their faces a canvas of profound gratitude.
In a silent ballet of appreciation, they wave, their gestures imbued with a deep acknowledgement of Jeevan's selfless acts.
The night echoes with unspoken gratitude, as Jeevan's profound kindness resonates deeply within the hearts of the villagers. Under the cloak of night, Jeevan vanishes into the starlit expanse, leaving behind an enduring legacy of profound love and boundless compassion. His spirit ascends into the heavens, painting the night with the colors of selflessness and eternal devotion. A poignant farewell to a soul that embraced the world with tenderness, now becoming one with the infinite cosmos.
Under the warm embrace of the sun, the village flourishes, each act of kindness weaving a tapestry of communal spirit and resilience. Every corner of the village whispers tales of generosity and support, as neighbors extend helping hands, nurturing bonds that fortify their shared existence.
In the heart of the village, a new generation is spellbound by the epic tale of Jeevan, their imaginations ignited with dreams of valor and adventure. As Jeevan's story unfolds, sunlight casts long, dancing shadows across the village, whispering promises of the uncharted paths that await these budding heroes. A spark of ambition ignites within them, each yearning to etch their own saga of courage and heroism into the annals of time.
A magic mat is passed down, symbolizing the enduring legacy of Jeevan's goodness.
Jeevan's spirit endures, reshaping the world through small acts of kindness. The village, once a portrait of desolation, now flourishes with life, its fields painted in the vivid hues of resilience and hope. Each swaying stalk whispers tales of perseverance, transforming barren land into a symphony of color. The sun-kissed fields stand as an eternal emblem of the community's unwavering spirit, a breathtaking vista of rebirth. Amidst the ruins, the village's homes stand tall, a beacon of hope amidst the remnants of destruction.
These homes, rebuilt with care and community spirit, stand as monuments to the people's ability to rise from ashes.
In every corner, signs of community support are evident, reinforcing the village's resilience and shared future.
In the heart of the village, children's laughter dances through the air, painting a vibrant picture of hope and renewal. Each giggle and playful chase weaves a tapestry of innocence, reflecting the promise of a future brimming with possibilities. The echoes of their merriment resonate through the village, a testament to the enduring spirit of the community.
Under the vast sky, a village awakens, bathed in the golden light of unity as its people gather.
In a symphony of shared purpose, the villagers intertwine their lives, weaving a tapestry of compassion and acceptance.
In the heart of the village, kindness radiates, transforming every corner into a sanctuary where every soul finds solace.